Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. We got Sergio here in my garage because he doesn't have one yet. But what are we gonna do, bro?
Putting on a
Show him that
PRL intercooler.
PRL intercooler, front mount intercooler. That's what we're gonna install right now. And you guys know me. I'm gonna go step by step with you guys, so you guys can do it yourself. Save yourself maybe $300-400 from a shop, and I'm gonna show you guys how to take the whole bumper off and install it properly. And so let's just get to it. I don't want to waste any time because this is gonna be fun. So stay tuned and keep watching. Don't skip anything. Keep watching. So what you want to start off with is remove these clips right here. This one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Remove those. All right, so once that's done, you forgot one, bro. You forgot two. One on this side, one on that side. Yeah. So take that one off.
Seems like a fucking bitch.
Then you can see it's already loose now. Just like that. We're gonna leave it like that. And next up, what you wanna do is rotate your tires to the right. And because there's 3 screws, so once you move the tires to the right, there should be 3 screws here. Well, you can't see them now. I'll show you guys real quick where it is. All right, so there's one right here. My bad. That's one. That's 2. And the third one is right under here, right this section right here. So it's right there in the corner, and then the clip right here. So you would do the same thing on the other side. All right, as we come under the car, fog light. So you'll see a clip right there. Take off these clips. I bet that one. Same thing on the other side, and then you're gonna have to take off the clips that's on the inside, not the exterior ones in the back, but like right here. That's inside. That's inside. See, this one's out. You don't want to take out the outer ones. The inner ones, they go right there. So it's between the splash shield and also the bumper. So that's out. It's gotta be this one right here. One is missing. So great. Same thing there, and it goes all the way around. So do that, and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, you did. All right, so all the clips are out, and what you want to do next is use a pry tool, get in this right there, and kind of push it outwards. Well, see, kind of pull here, bro. Yeah, pull it. There. So as you pull, there you go. So you see the 3 tabs right here I was talking about. See, 1, 2, 3, and do the same thing on the other side. But for now, he can definitely pull the bumper off. Yeah, just put it towards you. That's it, towards me. Yeah, you won't. See, there you go. It's loose on this side. Check that out. You just probably another clip. And what you want to make sure is you hold it and remove the fog light. Unclip it from there, that spot right there.
So just a pull off?
Yeah, it should be easy.
Not even a flathead.
Need a flathead?
Yeah. Like
yeah, it comes off right there. It's this one, and you just pull that off. Same thing on the other side. All right, pry tool on this side as well. So Yeah, it's off. Just kind of pull towards me like that. Clips comes right off. Should loosen up. Sounds like it's breaking, right? But it's not. There you go. It's just clips that are really like tight, you know. You never opened it too. Just remove that clip right there. Fog light. Now let's get to the intercooler. What's next? All right. What's about to go here now? Right here. So we have. Well, this has to come off because that's right in front of it, and so we gotta take these two bolts off right here, and then this is going down. And let me get my flashlight real quick. Yeah, and then the other bolt is right here. If you could see it, where is it?
There's one hidden right there with the bracket somewhere.
I'm trying to show it, so tough. Right there, guys. See that bolt? You gotta take that one off as well. And then there's one on this side as well. Yeah, the bolt is right there. So I'm trying to find the camera to find it. It's right behind this wire. So you gotta unplug this as well right here. Unplug this, and that should come loose. Let's have a look at it. All right, there's a 12mm bolt right here, and one is right there. So grab an extension or something. Take these two out as well. And these two are out. It's a bit tight, so it does take a little bit pressure. Just use WD-40 if you have. Make it a lot easier. And I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to the bolt. Bikers. And then reach out to that one. All right, so we're getting that bolt right here. I'm not using a swivel or anything like that. It's a 10mm. Just use extension. It's right there. Focus. There you go. We're gonna take that out. All right, so the bolt is off. All you gotta do is kind of wiggle it, and it will come right off. And I haven't done anything on that side. Anyways, see, like I haven't done anything on that side, so it's got this part has to come down. So half of it is down, and we'll go ahead for that bolt in the inside. Where is it? Show you guys real quick again. It's right behind this. See it? Yeah, light is barely. It's right there. You guys will see it. It's right there, man. Yep. All right, we'll get to it. All right, that bolt is right there from this angle. You see right under there? I'll zoom onto it. That one. 10mm, right? And you can reach it from this end right here. There you go. So loosen the clamp right here, over the side. You probably won't need it because it was a new one with the kit, so I'm just gonna leave it there for now. And we're gonna move in right here now. It looks like we might have to remove all three of them. One was removed, one is here. Second is this one is like a holder, pretty much like a clamp. It's just holding it. You see that? If you move it, so it's just like holding it. So let's just check it out, take it off there, see what happens. All right, guys, so just a quick update. That one is removed, that one's removed. There's a 12, and then I believe there's a 12. Yeah, that's a 10 in the back right here, the third one I was talking about. And now this side is free, but I think we might have to transfer this piece right here. See that? I was holding it right there. So you don't have to take it off, so as you can see, but it was a bit easier, you know. Just remove this one 10mm clamp off of it, so just drop right down rather than pulling onto it. Keep that for now, and what we gotta do now is take the hose off. Remember we
we got a bracket over here too.
loosen up the clamps. Where's the bolts on this side?
There's one right here too.
That's a clamp, yeah. So we have another one clamp holding it right there. It's a 10 right there. He's gonna take that one off. Show him this one. Let's see. This one, right?
Yep.
Yeah, this one. So you see the clamps holding it? Yeah, just take that off. It'll be a lot easier. All right, it's off. Check this out. This is, yo, that is insane. This is stock right here. Yo, it's so light. It feels like 7 pounds.
Yeah.
This one feels like, yo, this feels like 15 pounds to me. I don't know. It's just, you know, the specs of the stuff, but to me it feels like 15 pounds. So yeah, it's a huge difference. So let's put it side by side right here. Check it out. That's about that much. And this one is like literally the whole finger right here.
The difference is there's some hard plastic on this, which is just straight metal.
Yeah, this one has a restriction on it right there. A lot of restriction. Whereas you come down here, you have straight airflow going into it on both sides. So, and then from the side, and this is longer, same, yeah, it's the same size, but it's huge. And yes, the thickness is crazy. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and reverse the process. So what you want to do is, you know, put it back in right there in this hose, and we have a new clamp they provide us with right here. We're gonna use this one, the brand new one, and we don't need that one right there. And yeah, this is still on. It's just loose. Remember the clamps I was talking about? It's all still on this, right? Yeah, it's actually right here. See, the clamp I was talking about, a 10 millimeter to take off. Well, it's stuck. It's attached to this, so you don't have to pull it, yank it out or anything. Once it's loosened up, you see the bracket, like this tiny hole here. It's gonna go into that. This will go into that. And the second one right there. See how it says it's gonna make your life easy? It goes just like that. And it'll be up there. Right there, 10 millimeter. See that? Perfect. We'll go ahead and install it, and then I'll show you what I did. So a quick tip I just noticed, one of them was laying down here, and one of them was missing, so it was onto that piece right here. So what we did was we transferred that from that to this one. So you would take this one from there or from here. It might be here. Just take that, transfer it onto this one. That's the bottom part, all right? The top one is gonna be the clamps I was talking about. All right, so this is new clamp right here. And then the 10 millimeters in as well. It's right there. See that 10 millimeter right there? It's in. Everything is sitting flush. The bottom here too. See that I showed you earlier? The small piece you gotta transfer. That's on. And what's gonna give you a hard time is putting that screw in, the 10 millimeter. That's gonna go above for the Honda sensing to hold it up there. So I got my hand going through this plastic piece to honestly line it up. See that? So if you have a friend who's got thinner, I don't know, skinny, not fat or thick hands, they could actually fit through perfectly and do it by hand because the screw is at an angle. So once it's in, now mine is in, this is perfect. So I'm gonna go out and tighten that up. All right guys, so Honda sensing, that side is done. This side, before you go ahead and put this on, you wanna go ahead and let it loose and tighten up this bolt first, all right? And it'll be a lot easier. Do the clamp here, you know, the 10 mm, and do the third one, and then in the end, do the bolt. It will just come right on top, and it will sit right over there. Just bring it up, wiggle it around, and that's the last bolt. Well, not the last one. You tighten that up, and then you gotta tighten up these two bolts right here. And yeah, we'll go from there. I think that should conclude the installation on this, and then you just gotta put the bumper back on. Oh no, it's going down. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna do is make sure everything is tight, all the bolts that we went through, and then plug in the fog lights, and I'll put the bumper back on, and yeah, we'll take it for a ride. So smash the like button if this helps you guys out, and again, of course, I know it's helped you guys save a few hundred. And also there's merchandise below my video, so feel free to get something if you like. That would support my channel a lot and myself. And that's it. Let's go for a ride after this is done. All right, how's the car feel now?
Feels good.
It's a lot smoother.
Yeah.
Pickup is quick. RPM, anything, any changes you notice?
I haven't noticed any yet. Any differences? I know the blow off of the exhaust systems.
Well, the burble increased. Yeah, the exhaust has got louder. The burble is more cleaner. Yeah. That's nice. Alright guys, a smooth ride, so that's it. Peace out, enjoy. If you installed one, enjoy your ride.